Hey, what's up, guys? This is the bike check for the brand new 2015 Subrosa Tiro. This is my new bike. I got it I bought it off Dan's Comp. I also bought it along with tons of other parts. I already have it customized. To start off, at the bottom, I have the Shadow Little Ones pegs, front and back. I have the Kink Boulevard front hub guard. I have the Colony Fantastic pedals with the gold bolt. I also have the Primo Tony Nair sprocket in gold. Into the back, I have the Shadow Little One peg with the Primo drive side sprocket, or hub guard drive side. Yeah, that's just about all the parts that I have on the bike. I did get the bike yesterday, came in yesterday, along with all my parts, so I added all of them. I also ordered grind wax, another set of hub guards, and that's about it. I soon will be getting a white chain. I'm getting rid of these gray tires and adding white walls. I think I'm getting the Duo C something. The Duo something. They're like $18 on Dan's Comp right now. The Duo SBS tires, that's what it is. I also added the Primo sticker in the front. But that's about all the parts that I have onto the bike. Look forward to more updates. Unlike what I did with the We the People, with just monthly, I'm just going to do them whenever I get new parts. I took off the brakes, so it is now brakeless. I hate brakes. The bar is already scuffed up from where the brake lever was, but whatever, screw it. I have not dropped the bike or anything yet, so all the parts are practically brand new. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see some of the tricks that I've been learning. My Instagram is BMX_4, like the number 4, _days with a Z. It's a McLaren, orange McLaren as the screensaver, or the front picture. That's me. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe.